I'm going to prove to you that sellers are scamming you into buying Creator Connections products to review. And this is also going to answer some questions about, hey, I sold this many units and I didn't get the 10% Creator Connection. I'm going to explain all of that in the video of why this happens. And it would be great if Viral Review could maybe help us out with this issue, uh, just to get a little bit of clarity. But I'm going to explain to you why it's happening. So you have this steam cleaner here with a 30-day revenue of 1.8 million, and we have 30K that are being bought every month. 39 influencer videos. There's a top carousel. So out of those 30,000 buyers a month, you would think that this campaign would run out of money very, very quickly. This is the campaign that started today for it. It started July 7th. So maybe this 5K budget didn't they didn't ship out yet, so it didn't calculate. Sure, I'll accept that argument. But we have one that started May 29th, and we still have budget remaining. 30,000 a month. So I'm going to explain to you why this whole budget is not flying through. And the reason for that is, if you go to Keepa, this is Keepa, an extension that you could see all of this data. You go to the data and then offers tab, and you can see everybody that has this listing for sale. You have multiple sellers that are selling this. Amazon itself is selling it. This person, this person. Look at this brand right here, WSRYYCC. These are the people that are scamming you into buying this product, and the other sellers, maybe themselves, you never know. But you are only going to get the Creator Connections commission. I'm pretty positive this is the part where I need Viral Review to help us out. But you see, this is a brand name here, and the brand on this product is this, I believe. Yeah, brand. You see it right there matching. So this buy box, whenever you press buy, it rotates, but it gives it to the cheapest seller first. I know that from whenever I was an Amazon seller. So the brand has it listed at $129, so they're not going to get the buy box. So if you buy this product and think you're getting Creator Connections commissions, you're not, unless they sell this, and unless this specific seller sells it and they watch your video. Right now, you have someone selling for $99.99, and this seller for selling it for $59. You are not, they are not getting the buy box, so you are not getting commission. And you can see it here. It is this brand that created, this person that created the Creator Connections campaign. I need Viral Review to let me know if there's a way that other sellers can create a campaign underneath their brand name. I don't know if that's possible, but I'm 100% positive that that's what's happening right here with this product. So that'll probably help clear up some of the concerns and confusion regarding why you're not getting the commissions you thought you were going to get. So this is just one example. It could be happening all over Creator Connections and you have no idea.